The Enchanted Amulet. A Journey into the Forest of Wishes. Chapter 1. The Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, nestled at the edge of a small village, there lay an enchanted forest. The forest was said to possess magical powers, granting the wishes of those who dared to venture into its depths. Legends whispered of hidden treasures, mystical creatures, and untold wonders waiting to be discovered. In the heart of the village lived a young girl named Lily. She was filled with an insatiable curiosity and an adventurous spirit that yearned for something beyond the ordinary. Lily had heard tales of the enchanted forest all her life, and the stories had captivated her imagination since she was a child. As she grew older, the allure of the forest grew stronger, pulling her towards its mysterious allure. One day, unable to resist any longer, Lily decided that it was time to explore the secrets that lay hidden within the ancient trees. With her heart pounding with excitement, Lily set off on her journey to the enchanted forest. The morning sun cast dappled rays of light through the thick foliage as she made her way through the outskirts of the village. As she approached the forest's entrance, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves, as if beckoning her forward. Taking a deep breath, Lily stepped into the forest, and instantly, the air changed around her. The scent of wildflowers and moss filled her senses, and the sounds of birdsong and distant waterfalls serenaded her ears. It was as if she had entered a different realm altogether, one that held the promise of magic and wonder. As Lily ventured deeper into the forest, the path before her became less defined. The trees grew taller and thicker, casting long shadows that danced in the flickering light. The air grew cooler, and a sense of tranquility enveloped her. She felt a profound connection with nature, as if the forest itself was welcoming her presence. With each step, Lily's excitement intensified. She wondered what extraordinary sights awaited her around the next bend, what extraordinary creatures she might encounter. She had heard tales of fairies, talking animals, and hidden grottos with sparkling gems. It was a world of endless possibilities, and she was determined to uncover its secrets. As the sun began to set, casting an ethereal golden glow through the trees, Lily stumbled upon a small clearing. In the center stood a majestic waterfall, its cascading waters glistening in the fading light. Lily's breath caught in her throat as she marveled at the beauty before her. As she approached the waterfall, she noticed a shimmering mist enveloping the base. Intrigued, Lily reached out and touched the mist with her fingertips. Suddenly, a surge of energy coursed through her veins, and the mist parted, revealing a hidden cavern behind the waterfall. Heart racing with anticipation, Lily stepped into the cavern. It was a breathtaking sight. Stalactites adorned the ceiling, glistening like precious diamonds, and phosphorescent moss carpeted the ground, casting an otherworldly glow. The air was charged with magic, and Lily could feel it tingling on her skin. In the center of the cavern, atop a stone pedestal, lay a small, ornate box. Lily approached it cautiously, her eyes wide with wonder. She carefully lifted the lid, and as she did, a radiant light spilled forth, illuminating the cavern. Inside the box, nestled amidst delicate silk, lay a sparkling amulet. The amulet seemed to hold the very essence of the forest within its intricate design. Lily's heart raced with excitement as she realized that this was the fabled amulet of wishes, said to grant the desires of the pure-hearted. Trembling with anticipation, Lily gently clasped the amulet around her neck. Instantly, a warm surge of energy coursed through her body, filling her with a sense of purpose and determination. She knew that the amulet held great power, and she vowed to use it wisely. With the amulet adorning her neck, Lily left the hidden cavern and emerged into the twilight. She looked back at the enchanted forest, knowing that her life would never be the same. Armed with the magic of the amulet, she would embark on incredible adventures, fulfill her wildest dreams, and uncover the true nature of the enchanted forest. Little did Lily know that her journey was only just beginning, and that the amulet held secrets and challenges she could never have imagined. As she stepped back into the village, a twinkle in her eye and a smile on her lips, she knew that her destiny awaited her, entwined with the enchantment of the forest. To be continued.